Hello, friends. If you're over 60 and you sometimes feel your legs getting weaker, you are not alone. Many older adults quietly struggle with leg strength, especially in the evening or after a long day. But what if I told you that just a few simple nutrients taken at bedtime could help support your legs while you sleep? Today, we're diving into 3 powerful bedtime vitamins that can help strengthen aging legs, support better circulation, and even reduce those nighttime leg cramps many seniors experience. So grab a cup of herbal tea, settle in, and let's explore some gentle, natural ways to care for your legs. Let's begin by understanding why leg strength often declines as we age. After 60, our bodies naturally begin to lose muscle mass, a condition known as sarcopenia. This is not your fault, it's part of the aging process. But here's the good news: there are specific nutrients that can slow this process down and help your muscles recover overnight. At night, while you sleep, your body actually repairs and rebuilds tissue. That includes muscle. So the key is giving your body the right tools, nutrients that work with your body's natural rhythm to protect and strengthen your legs. Let's start with the first one. Magnesium is often called the relaxation mineral. Why? Because it helps muscles relax after a long day. But it also plays a crucial role in muscle repair and nerve function. For older adults, low magnesium levels are surprisingly common. Symptoms can include leg cramps at night, muscle twitching, trouble sleeping, general fatigue. Studies show that getting enough magnesium can improve muscle strength and even reduce the severity and frequency of nighttime leg cramps. Best way to get it: you can take a magnesium glycinate supplement 30 to 60 minutes before bed. It's gentle on the stomach and supports both muscle health and sleep quality. Or if you prefer food-based sources, try adding these to your dinner: steamed spinach, pumpkin seeds, almonds, avocados. Just be sure to talk with your doctor before starting any supplement. The second essential bedtime nutrient is vitamin D3, the sunshine vitamin. Now, many seniors are low in vitamin D, especially those who spend less time outdoors or live in areas with long winters. But here's something most people don't realize: vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium, but it also plays a direct role in muscle strength. In fact, studies have linked low vitamin D levels to poor balance, leg weakness, and even a higher risk of falls. Taking a small dose of vitamin D3 at night, especially if your levels are low, can help improve muscle recovery and bone strength. Tip: pair your D3 supplement with a light, healthy fat like a spoon of yogurt or a few walnuts to help with absorption. And don't worry, we'll talk about the third bedtime vitamin in just a minute. So far, we've covered 2 key nutrients your body needs before bed to support strong, healthy legs: magnesium and vitamin D3. In part 2, we'll reveal the third and possibly most overlooked bedtime vitamin that could make a big difference in your leg strength and mobility. Plus, we'll talk about common foods that silently harm aging muscles and what to eat instead. Don't miss it. When you're ready, just say the word "continue." Until then, take care of yourself and your legs. Host calm, reassuring tone. Alright, let's talk about our third and final bedtime vitamin for stronger legs: vitamin B12. Now, B12 often flies under the radar, but it's critical for older adults, especially when it comes to maintaining nerve health and energy production. You see, as we age, our stomach's ability to absorb B12 decreases. And without enough B12, nerves that connect to your legs may start to misfire. That can cause tingling or numbness in your feet, unsteady walking, muscle weakness, especially in the legs. This is why B12 deficiency is often mistaken for just getting older. But the truth is, restoring your B12 levels can make a huge difference in your strength, coordination, and confidence on your feet. Best time to take it: even though B12 is known for energy, a small dose before bed won't keep you up, and it may support overnight nerve repair. Look for methylcobalamin or B12 sublingual under the tongue supplements. They absorb better and are especially helpful for those over 60. And here's a tip: if you're vegetarian or take acid reflux medications, you may be more likely to have low B12, so it's worth getting checked. Common foods that silently damage aging legs. Host tone shifts: slightly serious but still warm. Now, let's switch gears for a moment. You could take all the right vitamins, but if you're eating the wrong foods, your legs might still feel heavy, swollen, or weak. So here are 3 common foods that may silently be harming your muscle and nerve health, especially after 60.1. Processed meats, like sausages or deli slices, these are often loaded with sodium and preservatives, which can lead to water retention, swollen legs, and even impact circulation. They also contain nitrates, which have been linked to inflammation, something aging muscles definitely don't need. Swap it for roasted chicken breast, lentil patties, fresh turkey slices without additives too. White bread and refined carbs, these spike your blood sugar, then cause it to crash. That roller coaster can make your legs feel sluggish and fatigued, especially during movement. Over time, high blood sugar can also damage the small nerves in your feet and calves. Swap it for whole grain bread, oats, quinoa, or barley at dinner. 3. Diet sodas and artificial sweeteners. Surprising, right? But certain sweeteners like aspartame may negatively affect muscle sensitivity and even contribute to cramping in some people. Plus, they offer zero nourishment, no vitamins, no minerals, just chemicals. Swap it for herbal teas like chamomile or peppermint, sparkling water with a splash of lemon, coconut water, unsweetened. Host smiling warmly. So, to recap, if you're over 60 and want stronger legs, take magnesium for relaxed, recovering muscles. Get vitamin D3 for stronger bones and better balance. Add vitamin B12 to support nerve health and leg strength. And avoid foods like processed meats, refined carbs, and diet sodas that silently weaken aging muscles. Replace them with nourishing whole foods, especially at dinner, because your body does most of its healing while you sleep. Just imagine waking up feeling a little lighter, steadier, and stronger on your feet. That's not just a dream. With the right nutrients, it's possible and seen. Host smiles gently. Music fades in. Host, if this video helped you, be sure to subscribe for more senior wellness tips. And in the comments, let us know which of these vitamins do you already take or plan to try. Until next time, take care of yourself and your legs. Good night and be well. Sure, here's a bonus section to enhance the video with real-life application, facts, and a gentle call to action, great for keeping viewer engagement high through the last few minutes and encouraging interaction. How to add these vitamins to your routine. Host, let's make it simple. Here's how a typical bedtime leg strengthening routine might look for you. Around 7 to 8 p.m. after dinner, take your magnesium glycinate. 200 to 400 milligrams is usually a gentle, effective range. You can take it with a light snack like yogurt, banana, or a few almonds. Same time or just before brushing your teeth, add your vitamin D3, especially if your doctor has recommended it. Try 1000 to 1000 IU, but again ask your healthcare provider what's right for you. Optional, but helpful, take B12 methylcobalamin, sublingual form, under the tongue. You can even alternate it a few days per week unless your doctor recommends daily use. And remember, these aren't just pills. They're gentle support tools to help your body heal, strengthen, and restore overnight. Q. Can I take all 3 at once? Yes, as long as your doctor agrees and you're not taking medications that interfere. These 3 are generally safe together at night. Q. How soon will I feel results? Everyone's different. Some people notice fewer cramps or better sleep within days. For real leg strength and nerve repair, give it 3 to 6 weeks of consistency. Q. I already eat healthy. Do I still need supplements? Even with a healthy diet, our ability to absorb nutrients declines with age, especially B12 and magnesium. Supplements help fill the gaps. You don't have to accept weakness, wobbliness, or nighttime leg pain as just aging. Your body is wise and it wants to heal. All it needs is the right support, given at the right time. So tonight, treat yourself with care, support your legs, and let your sleep become your strength. Over 60, nourish your legs at night. Wake up stronger. Music, gentle fade out. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more wellness tips made just for you. Sweet dreams and stronger steps tomorrow. Would you like me to now create? Just be sure to talk with your doctor before starting any supplement. The second essential bedtime nutrient is vitamin D3, the sunshine vitamin. Now, many seniors are low in vitamin D, especially those who spend less time outdoors or live in areas with long winters. But here's something most people don't realize. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium, but it also plays a direct role in muscle strength. In fact, Studies have linked low vitamin D levels to poor balance, leg weakness, and even a higher risk of falls. Taking a small dose of vitamin D3 at night, especially